Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Just going to give you an update of what we've been doing the last week or so on the house renovation. Fine. Showing you guys what we've been up to. So we've taken off all the paneling inside this room, give it a bit of tidy up. We've had the leak fixed on the valley, so that's been had new lead put on, refilled as well, so that was all really bad. So all the concrete, whoever done it before, it's done an awful job, so that's all been done properly. So we fixed that leak. In here we've finished the floor, so all the floor has been done in this room. So throughout, all the floor has been sorted. So it's just waiting for the waste to be put in there for the kitchen, and then put those 2 bits of floor down. That's all done. We've had this sliding door bricked up, so that's going to be a new pantry, so had that sorted. Then also put in 2 French doors, so that's also going to make a massive difference. Then you can step out into the garden that way. You know, coming out there, it's just going to be amazing. Just be such a difference coming out there. You know, and then obviously into the kitchen, let us a lot more light in as well, which is really good. So obviously all the floor through here, finished all the floor in here. We've reinforced everything in the bathroom, so all the joists have been reinforced, and then they've started putting in plumbing as well for the shower, cement board on, that kind of thing for the shower. So I just need to have the first fix done, then we get the bathroom in. Obviously finished off all the floor in here as well. This room's done, floor all the way through, getting prepped for plastering and skimming. This room again, skimming has started, so that back wall's been skimmed, ceiling's been skimmed, and that wall as well, so that's all drying off nicely, which is great. Come through here, obviously finish off all the floor in this final room as well. So all the floor in here is now done. So yeah, all the floor is done, all insulated, all brand new, all done. Just need to get the boiler taken off the walls, take that off the wall. And then we just need to obviously finish a bit of flooring in there, and then some flooring in there. So literally the next step now is just skimming, and then we can paint. Okay, that is the update. So at the moment, we can't really do much until the skimming's done. So we're waiting for all the skimming and plastering to be done. Once that's done, we can then put skirting boards on, and then we can obviously paint it, do a mist coat and get painting. And then once that's done, we can get the kitchen fitted, and then bathroom go in. And then once that's done, carpets can go down, and then the floor in the other lounge diner as well. And then once that's all sorted, you know, once all the walls are painted and stuff, and get the radiators in for the new heating system, heat pump can go in, and then we get the log burner in, and then it will just be like decorating, that kind of thing. So we're getting there, yeah. So now it'll just be waiting for plastering. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, have all of the whole house skimmed, plastered, and then we can move on really. So yeah, it's just a bit of a lull moment. First time doing the renovation, we actually have a bit of break. So this weekend, haven't done a huge amount, just because we've just finished the floors off, got to that point, and then now we're kind of waiting. So we could do gardening and stuff like that, really. There's loads to do that. Oh, and we also knocked down the shed. But yeah, see you in the next video.